Hello and welcome again to AI with Manpreet. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert the boring text into visuals with a Napkin AI. So this is like a new AI and it's amazing. So let's see. First of all, open the Napkin AI and then you go here. Here the page will look like, okay? So you just sign in and it is free so far, no fee needed, nothing. And over here I'm choosing the blank page. So in the blank page I'm just going to copy something random which I find online, daylight saving time. So but this content is very boring. I want to add some kind of visual to it so the students can understand it better. So in the meantime, here if you seeing, it is evaluating the text and is going to create a visual for it. And over here it's already created. Look at this, all these pictures that are coming on the side, which you see on the left hand side, are the visuals which basically is summarizing this whole reading. Okay, I'm a very visual person. I always like some kind of visual to my content, and also it is very good for the kids. And here I choose this picture. Basically it is the whole summary of the evolution of daylight saving time. Pretty easy and students will love it. I'm going to show you an another example. So let's see. Let me get the another example. So here I have the another reading on biotic and abiotic, and here you see again it was analyzing the content, and here it created the pictures, and from these kind of visual you can choose whichever you like. Okay, and they're always like four or five, and you can choose according to your preference. And here's another one, abiotic meaning. So let's see what it creates. So now it is analyzing the content, and here at the bottom if you see, it created already the colored visual and everything, and here you can choose whichever you like. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. AI with Manpreet Kaur.